If you are looking for the best matcha tools that you can use for your matcha bars and also for those that make matcha at home, look no further. I'm so excited to share with you this new matcha collection. What I have here in front of me are 2 sets of matcha bowls. This is perfect for gift as well during the holiday season. This box has a matcha bowl and a whisk stand here. They come in 2 different colors, white and also in black. I like the black because it contrasts perfectly with the green matcha, and the white if you'd like it to be a bit more visible when you whisk your matcha and you want to find out whether you have not whisked all the powder completely. But both colors are perfect. If you like it to be lighter, go for the white one. If you like it to be darker, go for the black one. And then I also have 2 sets of matcha whisk here. Both are premium and they come in this rare black bamboo color. So this one is 100 prongs, perfect for daily matcha rituals, mostly for latte. This will last a long time. This is better than the regular white matcha whisk. And it comes also in this beautiful packaging. I call this frappe for daily matcha rituals. Also perfect for gifting during the holiday season. This next one is another special one. It is also in black bamboo, and this is a premium matcha whisk. This is called a shin whisk, which is typical of those that are made in Takayama. This is 70 to 80 prongs, which makes it really suitable for thick matcha and also for thin matcha. They are made of special rare bamboo material in black color. On top of these, I also have a new Matcha Scale, which is in vibrant green color and an impressive addition to any matcha tools collection. Let's make matchas. I'm going to use my Matcha Scale, which is accurate up to 0.1 grams, which is very important for premium matcha. Every gram counts. For this one, I'm going to use 5 grams of my matcha powder, and I'm using my black matcha bowl. Make sure you sift it thoroughly. Add warm water, about 70 degrees Celsius. I'll start with about 50 ml of warm water. For the whisk, I am using my special shin whisk, which is 70 prong, premium handmade in black bamboo. And as you can see, it is silky smooth and ready to pour into my cup of ice. Premium matcha latte using premium tools. And for those that are wondering what I have here as my pendant, this is a special matcha whisk pendant. If you purchase one of these, one of our matcha whisks and a bowl, then you can get these for free. These pendants can be used for necklace, or you can use it as charm for your bracelet. You can also put this in your keychain, and if you're so inclined, make it as a pendant for your earrings. You can order all these items from our Shopee and Lazada store, or if you are ever coming to Bangkok, you can come to our shop and order them directly. You can also find these on our website. Details on how to order in the description box below.